Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 2, addition, from the book Maths 2. What is addition? When we put things together, we add them. Addition means to combine two more numbers or quantities. We use a plus symbol for addition. तो जब हम चीज़ों को साथ में रखते हैं, it means we are adding them. हम उन्हें ऐड कर रहे हैं. ओके, एडिशन का मतलब होता है किसी दो नंबर्स को या क्वांटिटीज को कंबाइन करना. ऑल्सो हम प्लस साइन या सिंबल का यूज करते हैं एडिशन को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए. ओके, सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल्स गिवन, लाइक 24 plus 4, 4 and 4 8, then 2 as it is 28 is the answer. 25 plus 3, 5 and 3 8, 2 ka 2 as it is 28. Then 42 plus 22, 2 and 2 4, 4 and 2 6, right? And 75 plus 24, 5 and 4 9, 7 and 2 9. So in our previous class we have learnt all these types of sums, right? Addition of two digits number and one digit number with carryover. Add 29 and 8. Now the step 1, write the numbers vertically and first add the ones. तो सबसे पहले हमने vertically लिख लेना है like this, okay? और फिर ones को add करना है. तो 9 में 8 add किया तो 17 आता है. 7 is written here, 1 is carried over. Okay. Here also 9 में 8 ones add किया will get 7 ones, right? Now 9 ones and 8 ones equals to 17 ones is equal to 110 and 7 ones, right? So now carry over the 110 to the tens place. अब जो 110 था वो हमने tens place को carry over कर दिया, right? Then we have step 2, adding 2 tens to the carried over 110, we get 3 tens. तो यहाँ पर हमने 2 में 1 add किया, so we'll get 3, okay? Similarly यहाँ पर भी 110 था जो कि carry था, तो यहाँ पर 2 tens में 0 10 और 1 10, it will make 3 tens. Got it? Then यहाँ पर भी वही सेम चीज लिखी है. 9 plus 8 ones 17 ones हुआ. 17 ones which is equal to 110 plus 7 ones. Then 7 ones write to the ones place and 110 carry over with tens place. Okay. Step 3, thus we get 3 tens and 7 ones. 30 plus 7 equals to 37. हमें 3 tens और 7 ones मिले. It means 30 plus 7, the answer is 37, okay? Then addition of two digits numbers without carryover. Let us recall addition of add 52 and 45 to two digits number without carry over. Recall करने को बोल रहा है. हमने previous classes में ये concept पढ़ा है तो उसी चीज को revise करना है अभी, okay? Step 1, first write the numbers one below the other. सबसे पहले again vertically हमें column wise लिख लेना है numbers को. Then step 2, add the ones. 2 ones and 5 ones make 7 ones. फिर हमें 2 और 5 ones को add करना है, तो it will make 7 ones, right? Then step 3, add the tens. 5 tens and 4 tens make 9 tens. फिर हमें 5 और 4 को add कर लेना है, it will make 9 tens, right? यहाँ पर भी वही सेम चीज लिखे 9 tens and 7 ones, right? So 52 plus 45 is equal to 97, yes. And here also 9 tens and 7 ones equals to 90 plus 7, which is 97. Got it? Now addition with carryover. Let us see the addition of two digit numbers with carryover. Add 83 and 29. So we have some steps. Step 1, write the numbers one below the other vertically. Vertically numbers को लिखना है first. लिख दिया है हमने यहाँ पर. Then step 2, then add the ones 3 ones and 9 ones make 12 ones और 1 10 and 2 ones. तो हमें यहाँ पर ones को ऐड करना है. 3 और 9 को ऐड किया 12 बनता है, 12 ones बनता है बेसिकली. तो उसमें 1 10 और 2 ones रह गया, तो 2 यहीं पर लिखा रह जाएगा, 1 is carried over, right? यहाँ पर भी सिमिलर थिंग की है, तो यहाँ पर 110 कैरी ओवर चला गया, राइट? देन स्टेप 3, 110 is carried over to the tens place and leaving 2 ones in the ones place. तो जो 1 है वो कैरी ओवर कर गया और 2 यहीं पर ones place में रह गया, राइट? देन स्टेप 4, add the tens, 8 tens and 2 tens plus 1 10 carried over. 8 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 11. So 11 tens and 2 ones equals to 110 plus 2 equals to 112. Thus 83 plus 29 equals to 112. तो यहाँ पर अब तीनों को ऐड कर लेना, 1, 8 और 2 को, will get 11, right? So ये 11 tens हो गए और ये 2 ones हो गए, यहाँ पर लिखा है, यानी कि 110 plus 12 will get the answer 112. Okay? Then word problems. Example. First, 2 baskets contain 51 and 39 fruits respectively. How many fruits are there in all in these baskets? 2 baskets है, एक में 51 और दूसरे में 39 fruits है. तो हमें बताना है कि टोटल फ्रूट्स कितने हैं दोनों बास्केट्स को मिला के. ओके, सो द सॉल्यूशन, नंबर ऑफ फ्रूट्स इन द फर्स्ट बास्केट 51. ओके, देन नंबर ऑफ फ्रूट्स इन द सेकेंड बास्केट विच इज इक्वल टू 39. देन टोटल नंबर ऑफ फ्रूट्स. नाउ इफ वी नीड टू फाइंड द टोटल, वी नीड टू add. Okay, so we have put the plus sign here and we are adding. Okay, now 9 and 1 makes 10. 0 is written here, 1 is carried over, then 1, 5 and 3 makes 9. Okay, so the answer is 90 here, right? So there are 90 fruits in the both baskets. Okay, exercise 2A. Add the following. Okay, now A part is already given, but I'll make you understand this part. 4 and 7, 11. 1 is carried over, right? 1 and 5 makes 6. Got it? Now we'll do B part. 6 and 5 or 5 and 6 is the same thing, right? So it will make 11. 1 is written here, 1 is carried over. 1 and 1 makes 2, right? Got it? So the answer is 21. Okay, you can do the remaining parts by yourself because those are similar ones. Okay, then B part, add the following. A part. Now 4 and 5 makes 9. Then 5 and 4 again makes 9. Answer is 99. Okay, then we have B part. 4 and 4, 8, and 4 and 3, 7. Answer is 78. You can do the remaining parts by yourself. C part, add the following. A, 5 and 8, 13. 3 is written here, 1 is carried over. Then 1, 4 and 3 makes 8. Answer is 83, right? Then B part, 6 and 4 makes 10. 0 is written here, 1 is carried over. Then 1, 3 and 3 makes 7. Answer is 70. You can do the remaining parts by yourself. Okay? Then D part. Solve these word problems. First, a packet contains 57 books and another packet contains 39 books. Find the total number of books in these packets. एक पैकेट में 57 बुक्स है, दूसरे पैकेट में 39 बुक्स है. हमें बताना टोटल नंबर, मीन्स वी नीड टू ऐड 57 and 39, right? So first we'll write it here. Now we just add them. Okay. 7 and 9 makes 16. 6 is written here, 1 is carried over. Then 1, 5 and 3 makes 9. The answer is the total number of books in the packets are 96. Okay. Then question number 2. Avani scored 48 marks in her first test and 42 marks in her second test. How many marks did she get in both the tests? तो फर्स्ट टेस्ट में 48 मार्क्स, देन सेकंड टेस्ट में 42 मार्क्स. तो हमें बताना है दोनों में कितने मार्क्स आए, दोनों के मिलाकर. ओके, सो इफ दे आर आस्किंग फॉर बोथ, इट मीन्स वी नीड टू ऐड, राइट? Which number? 48 and 42. We'll write it here. Now we'll just add them. 8 and 2, 10. 0 is written here. 1 is carried over. 1, 4 and 4 makes 9. The answer is 90. Okay. Then third part. A library has 28 books of Hindi and 29 books of मैथमेटिक्स. फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ बुक्स. एक लाइब्रेरी में 28 बुक्स हिंदी की है, 29 बुक्स मैथ्स की हैं. ओके, तो हमें बताना है टोटल नंबर ऑफ बुक्स कितनी है. अगेन वी नीड टू ऐड देम बिकॉज दिस क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग अबाउट टोटल नंबर, राइट? सो 28 and 29, राइट? नाउ 8 and 9 make 17. 7 is written here, 1 is carried over. 1, 2 and 2 makes 5, right? The answer is 57. Okay. Addition of 3 two-digit numbers with carry over. Add 12, 37 and 43. Let us try. Now we have some steps given. Step 1. First, arrange the numbers by writing them one below the other vertically. सबसे पहले हमने अरेंज करना है नंबर्स को. ओके, जैसे यहाँ पर अरेंज कर रखा है 12, 37 एंड 43, फिर प्लस का साइन लगा, राइट? देन स्टेप 2, ऐड द वंस. 2 वंस प्लस 7 वंस प्लस 3 वंस, इन तीनों को ऐड करना है. तो 2 और 7 को ऐड किया, विल गेट 9. देन जो आंसर आया 9 वंस और 3 वंस को ऐड किया तो 12 वंस, राइट? अब इसमें से जो 12 वंस है दैट इज इक्वल टू 110 एंड 2 वंस, राइट? तो जो 2 है, 2 इज रिटन इन द वंस प्लेस एंड 110 इज कैरिड ओवर टू द टेंस प्लेस. तो 2 हमने वंस प्लेस पे लिख दिया और 1 इज कैरिड ओवर. तो 2, 7 को ऐड किया तो 9, फिर हमने 9 को ऐड किया 3 से, विल गेट 12. अब यहाँ पर 2 लिखा रहेगा, 1 इज कैरिड ओवर. ओके. Then step 3, add the tens. 110 plus 3 tens plus 4 10 plus 110 carried over. Okay. तो हमें अब इन सबको 110, 110, 310, 410 इनको ऐड करना है. ओके, तो अगर हम 1 और 3 को ऐड करें विल गेट 4 एंड 4 में 4 ऐड किया 8. अब 8 में 1 ऐड किया विल गेट 9, राइट? So the answer is 92 here, right? Now 110 plus 3 tens equals to 4 tens, right? Then 4 tens plus 4 10 equals to 8 tens. 8 tens plus 110 carried over equals to 9 tens. Now 9 is written in the tens place, right? Thus 12 plus 37 plus 43 equals to 92. Okay? Then word problems. Examples. First, there are 52 students in class 2nd, 45 students in class 3rd and 69 students in class 4th. How many students are there in all? To solve this sum, write the numbers vertically. तो सेकेंड क्लास में 52 स्टूडेंट्स, थर्ड क्लास में 45 स्टूडेंट्स, 69 स्टूडेंट्स फोर्थ क्लास में. हमें टोटल स्टूडेंट बताने हैं तीनों क्लास के मिला के. तो इस सम को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमने नंबर्स को वर्टिकली लिखना है, राइट? नाउ हमने लिख दिया वर्टिकली 52, 45 प्लस 69. गॉट इट? नाउ फर्स्ट विल ऐड द वंस पार्ट, राइट? सम स्टेप्स आर रिटन हियर. 2 plus 5 plus 9 will get 16, right? 2 and 5, 7, 7 and 9, 16, okay? Write the 6 at 1's place and 1 is carried over to the 10's place. 6 हमने यहाँ लिखा, 1 is carried over. Got it? Then 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 answer आ गया. Then 15 plus 1 which is carried over. The answer is 16. Write the 16 at the 10's place. 16 हमने 10's place पे लिख दिया. Thus 52 plus 45 plus 69 equals to 166. So there are 166 students in all. Okay. Second, Sandhya solved 20 problems. Shivani solved 38 problems. Sivika solved 35 problems. How many problems did they solve? Sandhya ने 20 problems solve की, शिवानी ने 38, सिविका ने 35. तीनों ने मिलकर कितनी problems solve करी? So again we need to add, right? तो हमने सबसे पहले vertically लिख लिया 20, 38, 35, right? अब ones को add करेंगे 0 में 8 add किया 8, then 8 में 5 add किया 13. 3 is written here, 1 is carried over. Then 2 में 3 add किया 5, 5 में 3 add किया 8, 8 में 1 add किया 9, 93, right? Thus they solved 93 problems altogether. Okay? Then exercise 2B, A, add the following A part. Now we'll start with 1's place, right? 4 and 6 makes 10. 10 and 3 makes 13. 3 is written here, 1 is carried over. Then 4 and 2 makes 6. 6 and 1 makes 7. 7 and 1 makes 8. Right? So the answer is 83. Okay? You can do the remaining parts by yourself. Then B part, solve these word problems. First, a fruit seller sold 46 bananas on Sunday, 29 bananas on Monday and 23 bananas on Tuesday. How many bananas did he sell in 3 days? तो एक फ्रूट सेलर ने संडे को 46 बनानास, मंडे को 29 बनानास और ट्यूसडे को 23 बनानास सेल किए. हमें बताना है तीनों दिनों में मिलाकर कितने सोल्ड किए. ओके, सो अगेन वी नीड टू ऐड देम. ओके, फर्स्ट विल राइट दोज नंबर्स वर्टिकली. ओके, 46, 29, then 23. Okay, now 6 and 9 makes 15, 15 and 3, 18, right? 8 is written here, 1 is carried over. Then 4 and 2, 6, 6 and 2, 8, 8 and 1, 9. The answer is 98. Okay, then second question. Basket A contains 25 apples, basket B contains 42 apples, basket C contains 28 apples. How many apples are there in the 3 baskets? A basket में 25 apples है, B basket में 42 apples है, C basket में 28 apples है. हमें total apples कितने हैं तीनों baskets में वो बताना है. Okay, again we need to add, right? Because they are asking about the total quantity, right? So first we'll write those numbers vertically. Okay, 25, then 42 and 28, right? Now we'll add them. 5 and 2, 7, 7 and 8, 15, right? 5 is written here, 1 is carried over. Then 2 and 4, 6, 6 and 2, 8, 8 and 1, 9. Right? The answer is 95. Okay? Third, there has 32 books of English, 29 books of Hindi, and 18 books of mathematics in a library. Find the total number of books in the library. 32 books तो English की है, 29 बुक्स हिंदी की है, 18 बुक्स मैथ्स की है लाइब्रेरी में. हमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ बुक्स बतानी है, राइट? सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी नीड टू ऐड, राइट? सो फर्स्ट विल राइट वर्टिकली 32, 29 and 18, right? Then we'll add 2 and 9 makes 11. 11 and 8, 19. 9 is written here. 1 is carried over. Then 3 and 2, 5. 5 and 1, 6. 6 and 1, 7. The answer is 79. Okay. Then fourth. There are 50 cows, 27 goats and 18 sheep in a farm. How many animals are there in all? 50 तो cows है, 27 goats है, 18 sheep है एक farm में. Okay, हमें बताना total animals कितने हैं. Okay, so again we need to add them. Now 50, 27 and 18. Right? 0 and 7, 7. 7 and 8, 15. Right? 5 is written here. 1 is carried over. 5 and 2, 7. 7 and 1, 8. 8 and 1, 9. The answer is 95. Okay? Addition of 3 digits number without carryover. Add 252 and 145. Okay? First, arrange the number vertically. सबसे पहले नंबर्स को अरेंज करना होता है वर्टिकली, चाहे वो 2 डिजिट नंबर हो, 1 डिजिट नंबर हो या फिर 4 डिजिट, 5 डिजिट. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. ओके, देन ऐड द वंस. 2 + 5 = 7. देन जो सेकेंड स्टेप होता है एडिशन में, ऑलवेज हमें वंस से स्टार्ट करना होता है. तो यहाँ पर भी हमने 2 and 5 को ऐड किया, विल गेट 7. राइट? राइट 7 at ones place. फिर हमने यहाँ पर लिख दिया. ओके, देन एड द टेंस. 5 + 4 = 9. राइट 9 at the tens place. फिर हमने 5 and 4 को ऐड किया, विल गेट 9 and 9 हमने लिख दिया. ओके, देन एड हंड्रेड्स. 2 + 1 = 3. राइट 3 at the hundreds place. फिर हमने 2 + 1 किया, विल गेट 3. ओके, एंड हमने यहाँ पर लिख दिया. Thus 252 + 145 = 397. Okay? Addition of 3 digits number with carryover. Add 533 and 749. Now arrange the numbers vertically. This is the first step. Okay, हमने arrange कर लिया vertically numbers को. Step 1, 3 ones and 9 ones is 12 ones is equal to 110 and 2 ones. 110 is carried over to the tens place and 2 is written at the ones place. तो हम ones place से ही begin करेंगे again. 3 and 9 12 होते हैं, right? तो उसमें जो 110 है और 2 ones है, 2 ones यही लिखा रहेगा, 110 हमने carry over कर दिया. Same thing हमने यहाँ पर की है. Okay, 110 is carried over. Got it? Then step 2. 110 that is carried over is added to 3 tens and 4 tens, which is equal to 3 + 4 + 1 carried over equals to 8 tens. Now 8 is written at the tens place. फिर हम 3, 4 और 1 को add करेंगे. We'll get 8 tens, right? 8 tens. Got it? Then step 3 says at last add hundreds. 500 + 700 equals to 1200. 500 + 700 = 1200. So 12 is written at the 100 place. तो 5 और 7 को ऐड किया, will get 12. तो हमने यहाँ पर 12 लिख दिया. ओके, यहाँ पर भी 1200 लिख दिया. Got it? Final answer is 1282. Thus we can say that 533 + 749 is equal to 1282, which is equal to 1200 + 80 + 2. राइट? हमने अभी एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म में भी यहाँ पर भी देखा, यही आंसर आया है. राइट? प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. एग्जाम्पल्स. फर्स्ट, इन अ टाउन देयर आर 375 men and 477 women. How many people are there in the town? तो 375 men है, 477 women है. ओके, तो हमें बताना है पूरे टाउन में कितनी पॉपुलेशन है. ओके, सो अगेन इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी नीड टू ऐड, राइट? टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम, राइट द नंबर्स वर्टिकली and then add the numbers as described earlier. सबसे पहले वर्टिकली लिखेंगे और ऐड करेंगे, राइट। सो हमने वर्टिकली लिख दिया और ऐड का साइन डाल दिया, 375 प्लस 477। फिर जैसे ऐड करते हैं वैसे ऐड करेंगे। यहाँ पर हमने एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म में लिखा है सिमिलरली, ओके। 5 and 7 12, 2 is written here, 1 is carried over. Then 1 7 and 7 makes 15, 5 is written here, 1 is carried over. 1 3 and 4 8, right? यहाँ पर भी हमारा 800 plus 5 tens plus 2 ones, right? So 800 plus 50 plus 2 will get 852. Same, right? Thus 375 plus 477 equals to 852. Hence there are 852 people in the town. Okay. Then second, there are 352 apples and 268 mangoes in a fruit shop. How many fruits are there in all? तो 352 एप्पल्स है और 268 मैंगोज है। हमें बताना है टोटल फ्रूट्स कितने हैं एक फ्रूट स्टॉल में, ओके। तो सबसे पहले फर्स्ट अरेंज द नंबर्स वर्टिकली एंड देन ऐड। वर्टिकली अरेंज करेंगे फिर ऐड करेंगे, सिंपल। हमने अरेंज किया 352 प्लस 268, 2 and 8 को ऐड किया, विल गेट 10, 1 is carried over, 1 5 and 6 makes 12, 2 is written here, 1 is carried over, 1 3 and 2 makes 6. The answer is 620. So there are 620 fruits in the shop, okay. Exercise 2C, A, add the following. A part. So in this question we need to add and we need to begin with the ones place, right? 5 and 1 6, 2 and 4 again 6, 3 and 4 7. Answer is 766, okay. Then B part, 8 and 0 8. Why? Because if we add any number to 0 we'll get the number itself, okay. Then 9 and 0 9, 7 and 1 8. The answer is 898. You can do the remaining parts by yourself, okay. Then B part, add the following. We have the A part, 297 plus 545. Now if we add 7 and 5 we'll get 12, right? 2 is written here, 1 is carried over. Then 1 9 and 4 makes 14, right? 4 is written here and 1 is carried over. Then 1 2 and 5 makes 8. The answer is 842, okay. Then B, 6 and 7 makes 13. 3 is written here, 1 is carried over. 1 7 and 1 makes 9, right? And 6 and 3 again makes 9. So answer is 993, okay. You can do the remaining parts by yourself. Then C part, solve these word problems. First, Rajat had rupees 625 in his pocket. His father gave him rupees 287 more. How much money does Rajat have now? तो रजत के पास इतने हैं अभी पॉकेट में और उसके फादर ने इतने और दे दिए रजत को एक्स्ट्रा, ओके। तो अब रजत के पास कितने मनी हैं, ओके, इन टोटल दे आर आस्किंग. सो here we need to add, right? First we need to write the numbers vertically, right? So 625 and 287, 287 means now we'll add, okay? 5 and 7, 12, 2 is written here, 1 is carried over, then 1, 2 and 8 makes 11, 1 is written here, 1 is carried over, 1, 6 and 2 makes 9, right? So the answer is 912, okay? Then second part, there are 548 girls and 375 boys in a school. हाउ मैनी चिल्ड्रन आर देयर इन ऑल? 548 गर्ल्स है, 375 बॉयज है स्कूल में. ओके, एंड हमें बताना है टोटल चिल्ड्रन कितने हैं. ओके, सो अगेन वी नीड टू ऐड, राइट? सो 548 यहाँ लिख देते हैं एंड 375 यहाँ लिख देते हैं, राइट? देन विल ऐड 8 and 5, 13. 3 is written here, 1 is carried over. Then 1, 4 and 7 makes 12. 2 is written here, 1 is carried over. Then 1, 5 and 3 makes 9, right? 9 is written here. Okay, so the final answer is 923. Okay. Third, in a farm there are 218 cows and 585 buffaloes. How many animals are there in the farm? तो एक फार्म में इतनी cows है 218 and इतनी buffaloes है means 585. हमें बताना है total animals कितने हैं. So we need to add 218 and 585. Now 5 and 8 or 8 and 5, same thing. The answer is 13. 3 is written here, 1 is carried over. Then 1, 1 and 8 makes 10. 0 is written here, 1 is carried over. 1, 2 and 5 makes 8. The answer is 803. Okay. Then fourth, there are 587 chocolates and 494 biscuits in a bakery shop. How many items are there all together? तो इतनी chocolates हैं एंड इतने बिस्किट्स हैं एक बेकरी शॉप में, तो हमें बताना है कितने आइटम्स हो गए ऑल टुगेदर दोनों मिला के, राइट? सो अगेन वी नीड टू ऐड, ओके, 587 and 494, right? Now 7 and 4 makes 11. 1 is written here, 1 is carried over. 1, 8 and 9 makes 18. 8 is written here, 1 is carried over. 1, 5 and 4 makes 10. The answer is 1081. Then objective skill, multiple choice questions, MCQs. Tick the correct option. A, 375 plus 285 is equal to dash. We have option. First 760, second 660 and third 860. The correct answer is 660. Okay. Then B, 834 plus dash equals to 834. 834 में ऐसा क्या ऐड करेंगे कि नंबर सेम आए? We have options. First 0, second 1, third 2. Correct answer is 0. Then C, 4 added 9 times equals to dash. We have options. First 63, second 36, third 93. Correct answer is 36. Okay. 4 को 9 times add करने पर 36 मिलेगा. Okay. D, 503 plus 221 is equal to dash. We have options. First 427, second 274, third 724. The correct answer is 724. Okay. Then B, match the following. A part, 41 plus 2. So it makes 43. So we'll match with third one. Then B part, add 49 to 37. So we'll get 86. So we'll match with first one. Then C, 7 added 3 times. Then we'll get 21. We'll match with fourth one. And D part, 20 plus 36. The answer is 56. So we'll match with second one. Then critical thinking. C, fill in the blanks of each crossword puzzle to make the addition equation true. तो यहाँ पर हमें जो blanks given है इस crossword में वो fill करने हैं. Okay. So 26 plus dash equals to 51. 26 में ऐसा क्या add करें कि हमें 51 मिले? So answer is 25, right? बेसिकली अगर हम 51 में से 26 माइनस कर ले, विल गेट दिस आंसर, राइट। देन वी हैव अनदर क्वेश्चन। 51 में ऐसा क्या ऐड करे कि हमें 98 मिले, राइट। सो द आंसर इज 47, ओके। देन डैश प्लस 32 इज इक्वल टू 47। देन अगेन अब हम 32 में ऐसा क्या ऐड करें कि हमें 47 मिले। द आंसर इज 15, ओके। एंड here we need to answer 23 plus 98 is equal to dash. The answer is 121, okay. You can add by writing vertically first both of the numbers like this, and then 3 and 8 11, 1 is carried over, 2 and 9 11, and 12 121, okay. Then we have dash plus 66 equals to 121, okay. तो 66 में ऐसा क्या ऐड करें कि हमें 121 मिले, right? So the answer will be 55, okay. Then here we need to add 55 plus 72 will get 127, okay. And here also 66 plus 47, the answer is 113, okay. We are done with this crossword, okay. Then experiential learning, mental math. A, add the following first. Now 8 and 6 makes 14. 4 is written here, 1 is carried over. Then 1, 4 and 9 makes 14. 4 is written here, 1 is carried over. 1, 5 and 2 makes 8. The answer is 844. You can do the remaining parts by yourself, okay. Then creative skill, activity zone, count and write the correct answers. So there are some dices given here, okay, and we need to count the numbers, and then we need to add and write the total number, okay. So 3 and here is 4 plus 4 will get 7, right? Then here 2 plus, this is 3, 1, 2, 3, right? 2 and 3 makes 5, okay. Then we have 4 plus, it has 2 dots. 4 and 2 makes 6, right? And then it has 9 dots, right? Plus it has 5 dots. Now 9 plus 5 makes 14. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye-bye.